Another major category of safety glass is laminated glass. Laminated glass is safety glass in the definition of Chinese standards, but it is generally used as soundproof glass in the home decoration market. In terms of safety, what everyone is more concerned about is, for example, which one is better compared to a single piece of 12mm glass or a 6+6 laminated glass. I think we need to consider it from two aspects. One is which one is stronger and the other one is safer to use. I think there is a difference between these two items. This issue also requires distinguishing between two materials. One laminated material is PVB laminated, and the other is the more expensive SGP laminated. There is a difference in strength between these two types of laminated glass and a single piece of glass of the same thickness. SGP is a hard material that can participate in the calculation of the equivalent thickness structure of glass, so SGP 6+6 rubber is equivalent to a 12mm single piece of glass, while PVB laminate, which is widely used on the market, is a flexible material. If you use PVB 6+6 laminated rubber, its strength is not as good as 12mm single piece of glass. This refers to the strength of the material, but what we have to consider is the safety of actual application. From a safety perspective, it is more recommended to use laminated glass between a single piece of thickened glass and laminated glass. The reason is very simple, because laminated glass sticks the two pieces of glass together through film. In case of self-explosion or some accidents cause the glass to break, the glass fragments will not be scattered, so in practical applications, laminated glass is safer. Of course, if the budget allows, it is better to use SGP lamination. But I always feel that there seems to be a bug here. Is there a conflict between laminated and tempered? Why do you say this? Because laminated is to prevent the glass from falling apart when it explodes, while tempered glass will explode by itself, and the glass will still remain after being tempered. When deformed, there will be ripples and various light spots, which is not visually pleasing. So why do you still need to use tempered glass for laminated glass? This is because after the glass is tempered, its strength becomes higher and its impact resistance is stronger. Therefore, in places where impact resistance is required, tempered glass needs to be used for laminated glass. But in the application of home decoration door and window market, when large glass is installed in the home, we all know that glass is fragile, and we will not actively hit it. The greater risk or worry still comes from the self-explosion of large glass, so in terms of safety in this aspect, the tempered laminated glass will self-explode and it seems not safe enough. So is there another way to avoid the problem of large glass self-explosion? We will talk about it in the next video. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.